All right, tech titans, welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. We're kicking things off with some major buzz around Michigan basketball and their 2026 recruiting class. Could a big move be on the horizon? Next up, get ready for some mind-blowing financial news. We're diving deep into ASML Holding NV, a key Nvidia supplier, as they've just soared in quality rankings. Bank of America sees them winning big from that massive $5 billion Intel-Nvidia deal. You won't want to miss this. And speaking of Intel, the chip giant is making waves again. We're talking about potential shifts within their business units, possibly even their graphics processing unit, all thanks to that new Nvidia partnership. What does this mean for Intel's future? Finally, we're getting an exclusive peek into the world of recruiting with early chatter about potential reclassifying targets for 2027 to 2026. What's happening behind the scenes? Stick around for all the details. And hey, if you're loving this rapid-fire tech breakdown, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Michigan basketball's 2026 recruiting class, a potential game changer. Michigan basketball is reportedly in a prime position to make a significant move in their 2026 recruiting class, with a key visitor on the horizon. This isn't just about one recruit, it's about setting the stage for future success. The Wolverines have consistently been building a strong program, and this upcoming visit could be the spark that ignites a major recruiting win. The buzz around this potential prospect suggests a player who could significantly impact the team's trajectory. Coaches are working tirelessly to secure top talent, and all eyes are on this developing situation. Fans are already expressing excitement on social media, with discussions ranging from potential starting lineups to the overall impact on the Big Ten Conference. Analysts are watching closely to see if this visit translates into a commitment that could reshape Michigan's future. This is just the beginning of our tech deep dive. Don't go anywhere, because next, we're talking about a supplier set to win big from a massive chip deal. ASML soars in quality rankings amidst Intel-Nvidia deal. Get ready for some serious stock market action. ASML Holding NV, a critical supplier for Nvidia, is making massive waves, not just in the semiconductor industry, but also on the stock market. ASML has just achieved a significant leap in its quality rankings, climbing into the top tier of global stocks. This surge is directly linked to the monumental $5 billion deal between Intel and Nvidia. Bank of America is projecting ASML to be a massive winner from this strategic partnership, which focuses on advancing data centers and high-performance computing. This deal, while not a foundry partnership, injects fresh momentum into Intel's ambitious roadmap, likely leading to increased orders for ASML's state-of-the-art lithography systems. ASML's quality percentile score has notably advanced from 88.78 to 91.42, reflecting enhanced operational efficiency and financial resilience. The market is reacting positively, with ASML showing strong price trends across short, medium, and long terms, despite a mixed day of trading. Investors and industry watchers are buzzing about ASML's pivotal role in the future of chip manufacturing, especially as major U.S. foundries ramp up production for next-generation chips. This financial powerhouse move is just one piece of the puzzle. Next, we're diving into how this Intel-Nvidia deal might reshape Intel's own business units. Intel's strategic pivot, business unit shakeup on the horizon. Intel is once again at the center of tech speculation, with whispers of a potential shakeup involving one of its key business units, possibly driven by its new alliance with Nvidia. The chip giant has been making headlines with its strategic adjustments, and the recent $5 billion deal with Nvidia is fueling discussions about the future of Intel's graphics processing unit, or GPU, business. While Intel isn't planning to exit the graphics market entirely, there's speculation that they might pivot towards integrated graphics powered by Nvidia or rebrand their Arc lineup. The primary goal appears to be regaining a stronger foothold in the processor market, potentially by offering Nvidia-level graphics integrated with their CPUs, a move that could significantly boost revenue and market share. Furthermore, Intel's federal CTO, Steve Oren, has highlighted the importance of chip innovation for the public sector, emphasizing the federalization of private sector technologies for government needs, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. Intel investors seem optimistic about these strategic maneuvers, with the stock showing a nearly 3% gain in recent trading. Analysts, however, maintain a mixed outlook, with a hold consensus rating reflecting a range of views on the stock's future performance, despite a solid rally over the past year. From major business shifts to the intricate world of recruitment, we've got another fascinating development. Get ready for an inside look at how the recruiting game is changing. Recruiting Intel, the 2027 to 2026 reclassification buzz. Shifting gears from chip giants to talent acquisition, there's intriguing early chatter about potential reclassifications in the recruiting landscape, specifically focusing on the 2027 to 2026 cycles. This isn't just about minor adjustments. It's about how top talent is identified and potentially reevaluated within the competitive recruiting arena. The focus on moving prospects from the 2027 class to the 2026 cycle suggests a proactive strategy by teams looking to secure key players earlier or to reassess existing commitments based on evolving talent pools and team needs. This kind of strategic reclassification can have significant ripple effects, influencing scholarship allocations and team compositions for years to come. While specific names are still emerging from the early chatter, the trend itself indicates a dynamic and evolving recruiting environment. Recruiting analysts and fans alike are keen to see which programs are making these moves and how they might impact the future rosters of major collegiate teams. And that wraps up our deep dives for today. But we're not done yet. Stick around for a lightning-fast recap of all the biggest stories. And that's a wrap on today's Qualcomm Pulse. We covered Michigan basketball's recruiting prospects, saw ASML Holding NV surge thanks to the Intel-Nvidia deal, explored potential shifts in Intel's business units, and peeked into the world of recruiting reclassifications. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more essential tech news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all our social platforms for even more exclusive content,